More than 60,000 fans packed the stadium, enjoying a dominant 6-0 victory in an atmosphere filled with energy and excitement. Yet, this moment is about more than just football. It is about witnessing a historic transformation in real time. The roar of the crowd blends with the visible progress of construction, creating a unique experience where sport and development come together at one of football's most iconic venues. One of the most striking features of this transformation is the massive compression ring. Its scale continues to define the stadium's appearance, becoming even more noticeable from afar. New structural sections and scaffolding have recently been added, clearly showing that expansion is ongoing. While work progresses at different speeds in different areas, the compression ring remains one of the most important elements of the entire project, steadily moving toward completion. The third tier is now at an advanced stage of development. Most of its primary framework is already in place, making its overall shape clearly visible. This suggests that the main construction phase is nearly finished. The next steps will focus on essential finishing work such as waterproofing, installing seating, and making final adjustments to prepare this section for full use. Inside the stadium, construction activity continues across multiple zones. Workers are busy with hammering, adjusting formwork, and refining structural components. Although much of this work is not immediately visible to fans, it plays a crucial role in ensuring the strength and safety of the building. These internal efforts form the foundation of the stadium's long-term durability. The interior circulation areas are already partially functional. Open concourses allow fans to move easily between different sections, improving the matchday experience. Food and beverage services are available, though still limited, indicating that these facilities are not yet fully complete. They are expected to expand as construction moves forward. In the Gulsur section, work on the upper levels is progressing actively. Scaffolding and slab panels now cover large parts of the top structure. Workers can be seen on elevated platforms focusing on internal corridors and structural details that are not easily visible from below. Their efforts are essential for completing complex parts of the stadium. Meanwhile, in the Gol Norte section, facade panel installation is currently paused. The focus has shifted to preparing the upper structural elements, including treating and reinforcing beams. Visible markings suggest that protective coatings will be applied before installation resumes. Workers on high platforms are carrying out welding, alignment, and adjustments using precise tools to ensure accuracy for future installations. In central areas, progress continues with anchor installation and surface finishing. Workers are tightening anchors and applying protective coatings to beams. While some sections are still incomplete, most anchor points in key areas have already been installed. This represents a major milestone, as these anchors are essential for supporting the stadium's facade. At the same time, sandwich panel installation is moving forward across structural cores. Teams are carefully placing panels, though some lower and side sections remain unfinished. Despite the challenges posed by the panel's weight, the work is advancing steadily. Black facade panels are also being installed rapidly, with noticeable progress made in just 24 hours, reflecting an efficient and organized process. Overall, the project shows steady and well-coordinated progress. Key elements like the compression ring, anchors, and core structures are advancing together, highlighting a carefully managed construction process that continues to transform the stadium.